Today we are making skin-on chicken breast in the pan, and I'm gonna show you how to get it right and juicy every single time. When you're trimming your chicken breast, make sure that you leave enough skin to cover the meat. This will protect the meat whilst cooking, but also it shrinks in the cooking process, so you're not gonna end up with that much anyway. Now in terms of seasoning, salt and pepper is all I'm using, and I've got a few more things that I'm gonna show you along the way, which are really important. But if you wanna go with other seasoning that you prefer, just go ahead. Now to cook our chicken, set the pan on high heat. And when the pan is hot enough, we're going in with 2 tablespoons of oil that's resistant to high heat. Or if you wish, you can cook with fat. You will know that your oil is hot enough when it starts smoking slightly. And then is when you can go in with the chicken. Make sure you do it away from you and with the skin side down. Now the plan is to cook this chicken about 5 minutes on each side before we move into the next step, which is really important. But it all depends how thick your chicken is. And a good indication that your chicken is ready to be flipped is that you're gonna see a white border forming around the breast. We've got nice caramelization on the skin, which is what we're looking for. Now after about another 4 or 5 minutes of cooking on the other side of the breast, we're gonna lower the heat to medium. And this is really important. And this is the time when we wanna go in with some flavors, because we added salt and pepper, but you know what? This chicken could do with something else. So 50 grams of butter goes in, and we've got here 3 cloves of garlic, which I'm just gonna crush them, and they can go straight in. And also about 3 sprigs of thyme. And the butter we added here has got a lot of flavor, especially in combination with the thyme and garlic and the juice from the chicken. And I suggest keeping it as a sauce. Just combine it with the garnish you prefer, and you've got your sauce right there. Now get a spoon, and we're gonna baste this chicken by pouring hot butter over it till it gets to the right temperature, which is 75 degrees Celsius, a safe to eat temperature for chicken. And using this method, you're not only gonna give your chicken a better flavor, but you're also gonna keep it nice and moist. And in order to know whether your chicken is ready or not, I highly suggest using a probe thermometer. This never fails. And if you need one, I'm gonna leave an affiliate link down below. And if the core temperature of the chicken is 75 degrees Celsius or over, then you know it's ready to eat. Now another important step when you approach the right temperature of cooking, remove your chicken from the heat, but let it rest for about 3 to 4 minutes. In that time, it will become even juicier and tender than ever before. Now the moment of truth, is it juicy, is it nicely cooked? Let's find out. As you can see, these are the juices that the chicken released, so that means it's well rested. Nice, juicy, just the way we like it. I really hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.